Take a ride in the 2022 Corsair. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, heated rear seat, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, heated front seats, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.